62.5.
So what are we using for a saw here?
We have a standard sliding compound miter saw with this is a Diablo brand, but it's a non-ferrous metal cutting blade. It's an 84 tooth count. It does a nice job. Now this is a butt joint, I like to clean the cut up. Just because it might not be perfectly square with the fence.
So that's just cleaning up the ends.
Just in case it moved a little bit when you're doing your big cut, in case it has a little bow to it,
Yep.
and you're not tight.
So you're just straightening it up.
You just want to make sure, because we're doing a butt joint, so you want to make sure they're nice and even, because you'll see any little wiggle in your cut. Pro tip for you, when you're cutting your ends for butt joints or windows or anywhere else you're going to expose the bare aluminum, find yourself a really close color match paint. For driftwood, we found this. It looks tan, but it's really close to the base coat, and you'd be amazed how close it matches. So what we're going to do is place it face down with our cut end we want to paint towards us. Apply pressure, and just give it a few shots of paint. Just enough to cover the silver edge up. And you got nothing on the face, you know you're doing it right.
So that's all nice there. That butt joint's perfect. So we've got our butt joint that we did earlier right here. You're not going to go up all the way to the window with that same butt joint.
No, we're going to stagger them out and put them as far apart as possible, but we're always going to end on a strapping, and preferably not anywhere where we've cut the bottom of it out, just to keep things nice and even top and bottom.